Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty colorful mat, perfect for any occasion, any festival. Materials required are a coir mat, pom-poms in 3 colors, so you can take any 3 colors that you want, and these are ghungroos. Now just take any one, like start with any color. So I'll take pink and use some strong glue. So that it sticks immediately. And then you put a dab of glue here. And take these ghungroos, these bells, and just stick them. So I'm sticking 4. Like so. Now I'll take a orange ball, orange pom-pom, and stick this. Next, and again a dab of glue. Like this, and now I'll just stick the yellow and then again the bell. So I'll use all these pom-poms like this all around the mat. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty festive mat.